Hello, welcome to this Yin Yoga class. This Yin class is made to reconnect to yourself today in a short practice that is as soft as strong. It's not only a Yin practice, but it's way more than that. It's not just a Yin class. What happens in Yin isn't random. It's always about presence and grounding yourself through your body. Now we're gonna start in a sitting position, Sukhasana, cross legs. You can place a cushion under your bum. Lengthen your spine and make sure your chin is parallel to the floor. Relax your shoulders back. Inhale through your nostrils. Soften your gaze, close your eyes. And exhale slowly. Inhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep inhale from your belly. Exhale, empty your belly. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going for a few minutes. Keep breathing deeply from your belly to your chest and your throat, nostrils. Feel the presence of the breath inside your belly. Now, place your hands together in a shape of a prayer, Anjali Mudra. Feel in between your hands the energy of your light, of your heart, and then release your hands. Slowly release your bolster, come sitting on the ground in your sitting bones, and extend your legs forward. Place now the sole of your feet together. Place your bolster behind your back, right behind your back, and lay down in Supta Baddha Konasana. Open your wings and slowly relax your elbows, relax your arms and your palms down. Deep breathing now through your belly again, feeling the cycle of the breath coming through your nostrils, down to your belly. And then up again through your chest, your rib cage, opening your rib cage and creating more space. Slowly let the breath coming in and taking all of your body. Last sip in through your nostrils before you exhale and you unclench your jaw. Breathe deeply. Sharpen your breath, lower your belly. As you inhale and exhale, feel your lower belly soften slowly towards the mat. Lift the weight of your hips down. Through Yin, it's also your body remembering. Slowly release the pose. Come up using your palms and your elbows. Extend your legs. Bring your right heel inside your perineum. Place your bolster on your leg. Make sure you align slowly. Just use your props. Bolster a cushion close to your belly. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, just relax all of your belly on the bolster. Relax your head down. Now relax your shoulders, elbows. And make sure you feel completely relaxed and you can just let go of the weight of your back, of your belly down. We soften every little part of our body, the toes, maybe the ankles, your inner thighs, in between your shoulders, your head front. Feel in between your eyes that space called the third eye. Focus on it. Now swap legs and extend your right leg forward. Release the pose, bend the left knee and place your left heel inside your perineum. Swap sides and gently prepare and ground yourself. Prepare to fold forward deeply. Folding and letting all of your weight falling down on your cushion. Relax your belly. Relax your belly down. Feel your breath coming in and out softly. And slowly now release the pose. Feel your toes, maybe feel your legs slowly and your belly. You can gently come up, pressing on your palms and your elbows. Releasing the pose. Put your bolster away. And slowly now roll all of your back down on the mat. Bend your knees, place your heels close to your bum. Lift your hips up, find a bridge pose, and maybe use that cushion under your pelvic floor, under your back. You can also fold it to release gently your hips if you are at home. And find a nice position. Keep your knees aligned and your heels parallel, your feet parallel. Relax your shoulders down. Okay, exhale now. And to release slowly the pose, we extend the right leg and then the left leg forward. We're going to find a star position. Stretching lower back deeply. Exhale, release your belly down. Now bring your heels closer to your bum, lift your hips up and slowly slide away your bolster or cushion and bring your knees to your chest. Interlace your fingers on top of your calf. Bring your chin in close to your knees. Relax, exhale and bring your arms above your head. Bring your arms above your head. Now bring your right heel on top of the left foot. Slowly slide your feet towards the right side and grab with your left and your right wrist. Give your body a nice side stretch towards the right side. As you exhale, release your lower belly. Release your shoulders down, elbows. Any tension left in your upper body. Slowly swap side, release your right heel down, bring your left foot on top of your right heel, swap your hands and give your body a nice side stretch towards the left side. Inhale, exhale, lower your belly down, release the tension, embrace the moment. Focus on your breathing. Slowly feel your ribcage opening, breathe through your side. Release the pose and roll over on your belly. Now bring your hands under your shoulders. Keep your elbows stuck close to your chest and push your bum, your hips up. Release your bum down on your heels. Bring your bolster close to your belly. Open wide your knees. Now release all of your belly, your head down. Find your child pose, maybe press gently, pull your hips towards your heels. As you exhale, feel your lower belly coming down towards the mat. Release any tension in your upper back between your shoulders. Exhale. And feel the release in your lower back. Breathe deeply, sharpen your breath. It is safe to be exposed, to shine, to talk and speak up for yourself. It is safe to be your most vulnerable self. Now you can walk your hands back slowly. Just release the pose and maybe move from side to side your hips slowly, gently with your tabletop position. In your tabletop position, now it's time to bring your right knee forward next to your right wrist and slide gently your right foot towards the left wrist. Extend your left leg back and find your pigeon pose. Make sure your hips are facing forward and square. Place a bolster or a cushion right under your bum. If it's too much for you, you can also use blocks forward right under your forearms, So you can release slowly and come onto your forearms first for a sleepy pigeon. And then relax your head down, relax your neck, and feel your upper back in between your shoulders. Now release the tension there. Slowly release the weight on your hips, down on the mat, melting down. To come up, walk your hands back. Push your hips back, release the pose in tabletop. Move your hips gently, cycle with your body maybe. And now come, open your shoulders and bring your hips up. Slowly walk your hands back, find your tabletop. Slide your left knee forward and your left foot towards the right wrist. Bring your hips down, extend your right leg back and use your cushion under your bum. Find your sleepy pigeon for the left side and observe if there is any sensation or different sensation in your hips, in your legs as you go down and walk your hands down. Finally, from your pigeon pose, release. Come up and just bring your hands behind your back, opening your chest. Release your psoas, stretching, reaching up the sky with your heart and chest. And sit on your bum. Finally, just grab your bolster or your cushion and place it under your knees to find your Shavasana, resting and relaxing position. Laying down on your back completely. Open your palms towards the sky. Release all of your back and maybe slowly feel all your back on the mat. Take a deep exploring the depth of yourself and your own body. Start to scan your body from your toes to gently your hands and your head, your neck. Then slowly picture your toes moving and maybe your hands unroll on your side. Come up in a sitting position for a final little breath together. Lengthen your spine and bring your hands together in front of your chest. Take a deep breath in. Namaste.